What's up, guys? It's your boy Kenny G from Tennessee, back again with another video. Guys, as you can see, it's super bright right now. And if you didn't already know, I'm a big Gator fan. Go Gators, baby. The reason it's so bright on my face today, because in Tennessee, we got all kinds of weather here. And when I say all kinds of weather, I mean, it can be 65 degrees one day, and then it can be 30 degrees one day. It's an icy, snowy day, as you can see in Tennessee. People might have thought that Tennessee didn't get snow, but we do. And we get plenty of it to do enough to mess the roads up to get out of school for a week. And I think this might be one of those weeks where they're gonna be out of school all week because it's been ice on the road. It's a truck stuck right there on our little end of our driveway. Not very many cars out. Ice storms ain't no joke. People think four-wheel drive can work on ice. You got it wrong, buddy. Four-wheel drive is for mud, snow. Got a truck going by over there. Going pretty slow. Got trucks going down the hill. Yeah, man, people trying it today. And, you know, of course, you get those people who just want to race some hill. All right, guys, we're going down a little hill with my in-laws. Long driveway. And when we get to the end of the driveway, it's actually a little bridge. Only going like 2 miles an hour right now. Let's see how we do. I'm trying to put two heads on the wheel while I'm holding the GoPro. It was actually pretty easy coming up the hill. Going down it, that's the tricky part, because you know it's starting to get a little bit colder since it's going down to the evening. So we'll see how we handle the bridge right here. Not too bad. We're going over the bridge now. I'm in a second low gear. The bridge, guys. Now we'll get back on the main road. We'll see how this main road is. Actually, up there is a big hill. No cars coming down it. You guys did pretty good. It's pretty good. Now we just gotta take our time cleaning up the road because they did not clear these roads. And I don't think they will because it's more snow falling. And supposed to get another 2 to 3 inches. We just don't get much snow like the north does, so we're a little more scared than the people in the north. So when it comes to this kind of stuff, we just gotta hold the horses and just get down with it. But be careful and be safe. It's not too bad, but we're making it. We're making it. The farm over there. That's our house, back in the house. Coming up to the stop sign now. Kind of slowing a little bit. Which most times, if you ain't got a lot of cars coming or no cars coming, it's probably best to just roll through the stop sign so you won't get stuck. Of course, I don't have any cars coming at all. And this road is pretty clear. So, the wheels caught pretty good on the road. It's pretty clear right here. It's another big main road leading to our house. So guys, we made it to the grocery store. We made it to Food Line. And, it's pretty slick out here. A lot of cars parked over there. Cars that couldn't make it, they parked over here, which is me. But yeah, as you gotta go pretty fast to get through, because if you don't, you'll end up sliding. People leaving. See that truck moving. Get the tight. Making it pretty good. Get Kroger. It's pretty slick out here. Been a lot of people falling. I wish I could have got them on video. But yeah, it was gonna clear up, but I don't think so now. Just because it's snowing again. And it's supposed to snow tomorrow, and it's supposed to snow the next day. So, and I'm off work another day, man. That is the best to be off work. Cars backing out and stuff. It's a little slick out there. So, yeah, guys, I'm glad y'all can watch this video and see how the ice storm is here in Tennessee compared to the northern states. We're not used to it like y'all. So, it's your boy Kenny G from Tennessee, checking out with another video. Like, comment, subscribe.